Well, hello there. Y'all gonna have to pardon my mess. I have got a task here to take care of. I have gone over it once already. But with this attachment I have here, this was a rental. It's my son and daughter-in-law's, and they left it a little dingy. Didn't look like it got cleaned all that many times. I've gone over it twice so far with this product right here. So with this here, I took all of that off, which should have taken me hours. It was that oily, kind of greasy kind of dirt. I don't know, maybe mechanic, I'm not too sure. All the same, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did with this and how little time it took me to get my job done. Yeah, I know. I hope you like seeing me work here. You know, I got all this stuff up there and I'm a perfectionist, so now I gotta get all in here, and I wish I could let you see over my shoulder here, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish and I'll show you when I'm done. You know, I really wished I'd set this up better for you to see, because you're only seeing the very end here, and now I've got to end up rinsing it out and everything, but it only takes one or two swipes with this thing. The whole thing was like this. They thought they were going to have to replace the entire shower. So that's all I really had for you today. It just makes your life so much easier, makes your job so much easier, and see the difference just in one swipe on the bottom. The whole shower looked like that. So you guys have yourselves a lovely day, and sooner or later I'll have me one too, and maybe I'll take a shower. I'll talk to you later. Bye.